Good evening, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we are going to be celebrating. Today was my first day back at work, so sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's get into the video. So boys and girls, how have we all been? It's the 12th of April, it's a nice sunny evening, and I've just finished my first day at work. And by God, oh pardon me, am I fucking knackered. Today was the first day that I had to wake up at before midday. Today was the first day that I've had to deal with customers, try and remember my own fucking till code, which took me near enough all day to do. And yes, today has been a very torrid day. Been busy as fuck, literally the whole entire day. There were nothing but customers all day long, pretty much, apart from obviously when I went on my lunch break. And then I get to ride home, which I am exceptionally glad about. Today's been one of those days where it's been busy, but it's been an enjoyable busy, if that makes any sense. If you can be happy about being busy. And I'm going to get some petrol. So you have to excuse me while I get some petroleum. When the button starts to go into neutral. And I'll be right back with you.
A few moments later.
And ladies and gentlemen, we are back. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We are back in business. Back to work. Back to dealing with life in general. Back to earning some decent money. And that is the bit I look forward to the most. It's been such a fucking weird day today. Started off snowing this morning, and now it's brilliant sunshine now. I kid you not, this fucking country's bipolar. But at least it's dry now, which is obviously the good part of it. Because let's face it, if it was anything other than this, I'd be massively fucked off. Let's be honest. But like I said, I can't complain too much. We did have a lot of returns and exchanges happen because of the whole COVID business. But you know, it is what it is. You can't win everything, as I say. Go on girl, get running, that's it. But what a fucking weird roundabout kind of day we've had. Went from being freezing cold and soaking wet to being lovely and warm. I just don't understand it. I mean, I know people are going to say global warming had something to play in it, and it probably did. But either way, you know what I mean? I'm happy. I'm out, I'm on two wheels. I'm carving through the traffic. And I can't complain. We've seen quite a few faces we haven't seen in a while in work. We saw Ash and Ty again today. Oh, excuse me. Which was always nice. Have you ever been in one of those situations where been working for so long, and then you don't realise that you're either dehydrated or stupidly hungry. I think I'm both. I'm also partially stupid, but there you go. That's just me. Come on now, son, what's going on? I sound like my father. Come on, son, what's going on? Seriously, what century do I think I'm from? I kid you not. I know it's the first day back at work and I was bound to see some fucking weird shit, but I kid you not. One guy walked past my work today and he was wearing pyjama bottoms, women's pyjama bottoms, right? So they were bright pink pyjama bottoms with fucking hearts on them. And this geezer must have been in his mid-30s. It's like, what am I actually looking at today? So you know when you look at something, you think, what the fuck is this I'm actually looking at? It doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't fucking register. Do you know what I mean? But, you know, what can you do, I guess. In other news, we have just hit 7,700 subscribers. So thank you for all those involved. The support and the love is greatly appreciated, as you guys know. Where is this guy going? Does he even know? I don't think he knows. We'll go round in there, you fathead. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gone. Also, in other news, I know it's been talked about by hundreds, if not thousands of people around the world, but dear old Prince Philip snuffed it. Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, fuck's sake, don't fuck me around now. The Duke of Edinburgh sadly passed away. He was 99. He was literally about 2 months away from reaching his 100th birthday. Literally 2 months. Also, I know it's not quite in the same scale, but some divvy bint who used to be on Big Brother many years ago died as well. Apparently she died of anorexia, which is obviously not a nice thing to happen or to hear about, but you know, is what it is. And another tragic loss, another tragic loss, DMX. As people know, DMX, the famous rapper, he sadly died as well this week, in the last week or so, from a suspected heart attack, by all accounts. Which is again a very sad state of affairs. I mean, heart attack at 50. I mean, I know he probably had more than his fair share of heavy nights on the booze and heavy nights on drugs and all the rest of it. I mean, who doesn't when they're younger? I mean, I personally never did it, not on drugs anyway, but the occasional boozy night did occur. But generally speaking, 50 years of age, man, that's a tragic waste of life. It really is. Still had so many years in him as well. But you know, if it's your time to go, it's your time to go, I guess. Doesn't matter if you're 50, 60, 100. Look at poor old Philip. was only, well, I say he was only, he was, like I say, 2 months away from his 100th birthday. You know, how sad is that? If he could have held on for 2 more months, he would have got his 100th birthday. 3 figures. I mean, I don't think many people can say that they reached their 100th birthday, do you know what I mean? I mean, it's quite a rare occurrence, to say the least. Well, I'd say it's a rare occurrence, but people are living longer and longer these days, aren't they? But it's still, it's just a very, very sad state of affairs. Very, very sad. But, you know, life moves on. But like I said, what can you do? There's nothing you can do. If it's your time, it's your time. What is this in front of us? I think it's an Aston Martin. I believe it is. Can't fucking see it, man. Just fucking dickhead in this van in front of me. His mirror keeps getting in my fucking line of sight. Oh, fuck off, bruv. No, it's not. It's a Porsche. I don't know what it is, but it looks quite nice. Oh dear. So, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too boring for you. I hope you got something out of it. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to leave it in the comment box down below. Don't forget to drop a like, a sub as well. You know, spread the word about the page. All the support and the love is greatly appreciated, as you all know. And with that, this is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the roads. And as always, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, adios!